manufactured, like create a complex interface,
Yeah.
then sell the solution to navigating it.
Some have certainly floated that idea, but it's probably not that simple, while the specific title might be shifting.
The need for expertise doesn't just vanish.
Exactly. Many sources argue it's more of a profound transformation, not a disappearance. The underlying skills are still critical, maybe even more so.
Okay, so transformation, not elimination. How is it transforming?
Well, as AI gets more powerful, it also gets more complex to manage well. Minute IA pointed out that new challenges pop up with every advance. So you still need experts, but maybe focused differently.
Experts in what, though, if not just writing the prompt?
It's broadening out. Think designing whole conversational structures, not just single prompts. Defining how an AI should behave in specific contexts, like healthcare or finance.
So less prompt writer, more AI interaction designer.
Precisely. Becoming architects of narrative, setting up behavior models for AI agents, calibrating responses. It involves much more collaboration with technical teams, with business teams.
That sounds way more integrated, more strategic.
It is. And potentially, as Minute IA also suggested, a role in mediating ethical AI development, guiding these powerful tools responsibly.
Okay, so the skill set is evolving. What are the key things needed for this future role?
Definitely conversational logic, understanding how to structure effective interactions. Proficiency with AI orchestration tools, things like LangChain, the OpenAI API, React framework. These allow for building more complex AI workflows.
Tools that go beyond just a single prompt box.
Right. Plus AI ethics, naturally. And then broader skills like UX design, maybe marketing understanding, storytelling. It's becoming quite multidisciplinary.
And what could these future roles actually be called or look like?
You might see titles leaning towards AI interaction supervisor or cognitive system architect, people overseeing autonomous agents, ensuring they meet goals, or designing really complex AI systems.
Like Julie G., a consultant, mentioned shifting to strategic conversational design.
Exactly that. It's about the bigger picture of the AI interaction, not just the input command.
Okay, that gives a good sense of the professional evolution. What about the people actually using these AI tools day to day? Like software engineers, you mentioned that Reddit thread.
Right, that was fascinating. It was a discussion on whether AI could realistically replace software engineers anytime soon.
And the consensus was skeptical, I imagine?
Very skeptical, at least about current models like Sonnet 3.5 or 3.7. Lots of engineers shared experiences where the AI code was, well, pretty poor.
How so?
Inconsistent, low quality, even when they gave it really detailed prompts. One comment that stuck out likened the AI to a young developer amnesiac with a concussion.
Huh. That paints a picture. What were the specific complaints?
Things like using outdated methods, creating security flaws, not using libraries efficiently, and struggling to understand the context of the existing code base or learn from feedback, basically lacking the deeper understanding a human engineer has.
So even with good prompts, the AI struggles with complex contextual tasks like coding.
It seems so, currently, and this really ties back to our prompt engineering discussion. Well, if even highly detailed instructions, good prompts, can't get current AI to perform complex tasks like reliable coding flawlessly, it underlines that skilled human oversight and guidance are still crucial across many AI applications. It's not just about the prompt, it's about understanding, context, and judgment.
So AI might boost productivity, maybe change job numbers, but replacement seems further off.
That was certainly the feeling from those engineers. It reinforces the need for human expertise in the loop.
Okay, let's try and pull this all together then. It sounds like the specific job title, prompt engineer, as hyped in 2023, might indeed be fading or getting absorbed into other roles.
Yeah, as the basic skill becomes more democratized, maybe.
But the actual expertise in communicating effectively with AI, guiding it, structuring its interactions, that's not going away.
No, if anything, it's becoming more critical. It's just evolving into potentially more complex strategic roles, AI interaction design, system architecture, ethical oversight. The value is shifting, not disappearing.
Right. The ability to guide and manage AI effectively is the enduring skill. Which leads to maybe a final thought for everyone listening. As AI gets woven deeper into everything we do at work, are we all, in a way, going to become prompt engineers? Needing to master how we talk to these systems to get things done?
That's a really interesting question. It suggests AI literacy, that ability to converse effectively with AI, might just become a fundamental skill for, well, almost everyone.
Something to think about. This has been a fascinating deep dive.
Indeed it has.
The podcast title is Le Podcast de Philippe. And if you found this useful, please do help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers.
We'd appreciate it.